let's dive right into the business of today. When it comes to YouTube, the first thing you need to do is to choose your content idea. You have to decide on your content idea. Because the essence of starting a YouTube channel is to share content. Your content simply means that information that you want to share. Now, it can either be educating or entertaining. For instance, this particular content is an educative content. Some of us might be confused. But which content idea should I choose? I know, right? You're confused. Just to make that decision, you have to consider, what do you like watching? When you come on YouTube, what do you come to YouTube to come and do? What exactly brings you to YouTube? What kind of things do you like? Do you like fashion or health, or just like watching people's lifestyle or games? That would direct you. That would help your mind to focus into what you're going to be teaching or what you're going to be using your YouTube channel for. I don't have a good phone, so let me just wait until when I get a good phone. I don't really have a good background. Funny enough, these were my excuses, but I just realized it's okay to start small. You just need a phone, a light source, and a tripod. A phone, any phone you are using now can serve. A light source, you must not get a ring light. I made this video with light from my window, and then I don't have a tripod yet. You just need to stack up, whether you stack up books or make a construction that will make sure that your phone is steady, that your phone is in a steady position. You would also need to do what they call script writing. Trust me, because if you don't have that script, you might end up saying different things irregularly. How to place your camera. You see this here? Don't do it. If you do this, like putting it in a vertical setting, you get this kind of videos that are like this. Do you understand? And trust me, it's not what you want to have. So when you want to make a video, YouTube video, place your phone horizontally. It will help you to get this full look, this full YouTube look. So let me introduce myself, because this is also my first YouTube channel. So my name is Ezine Ogoke, and I'm a pharmacist. I have a beautiful melanin skin, as you can see. And second thing you should also talk about after introducing yourself is try to tell people what your channel is all about. Yes, tell them what they'll be seeing in this channel. So for this our channel, we're going to be learning skills that would help us be the best in our environment, and also health tips that will help us lead healthy lives. So just basically, I'm going to be like your big sister that will help you through whatever situation that you are passing through that I have been in. So I will just give you easy tips so that you can scale through as well. So you might want to stick around. You might want to stick around. But when is the best time to actually start a channel? Should I start it today? Trust me, want that information you want to start putting out to the society, start it today. Go now and start that YouTube channel you want to start. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my video so that the algorithm can push it to other people that are having fears or having issues of starting YouTube videos, so that they can learn to rise by lifting others, right?